What is the largest mesothelioma settlement? So let's start. Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive cancer caused by asbestos exposure. So asbestos is a mineral used in the past for its fire resistance property in construction materials. So when asbestos fiber are inhaled or ingested, they can accumulate in the body and cause damage over time. Many companies know about the danger of asbestos but continue to use it without warning their employees or public. So, as a result, numerous lawsuits have been filed by mesothelioma patients seeking compensation for their suffering. Settlements are financial agreement reached between the parties involved in the lawsuit. So, the largest mesothelioma settlements are those where the injured individual receives substantial monetary compensation. So these settlements are often reached through negotiations between the plaintiffs, victims, and the defendants' companies or insurance. The amount of settlement depends on various factors such as the severity of the illness, the extent of the asbestos exposure, and the financial resources of the defendant. So, in some cases, settlements can reach million or even billion of dollars. These large settlements aim to provide financial support for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages caused by the disease. So, settlement can also help ensure that future medical treatment and care are covered. So the funds from settlements may be distributed among multiple plaintiffs who were affected by the same defendant or group of defendants. So it is important to note that settlements are typically confidential, meaning the exact details are not disclosed to the public. So the largest mesothelioma settlements have often involved class action lawsuit where a group of plaintiffs use a common defendant. So class action lawsuit can consolidated multiply case, making the legal process more efficient and allowing a larger settlement. The largest settlement may also involve bankrupt asbestos manufactured or trust funds set up to compensation victims. So this settlement can help victims and their families seek justice and financial support without going through a lengthy trial. So the goal of mesothelioma settlement is to hold companies accountable for their actions and provide some measure of compensation for the victims. The largest settlements may also involve bankrupt asbestos. Those settlements can help victims and their families seek justice and financial support without going through a lengthy trial. The goal of mesothelioma settlement is to hold company accountable for their actions and provide some measure of compensations for the victims. So while the largest mesothelioma settlement cannot undo the harm caused by asbestos exposure, they can provide some relief and support for those affected by disadvantaged disease. So there are some points which we discussed. What is mesothelioma?